guys, this is Grace once again. How are you? At ngayon naman, isang panibagong bamboo state ang i-share namin sa inyo na full interior renovation from kitchen, toilet and bath, tile works, ceiling works, painting works, electrical, and decorations. It's kinda a home fluffing. And of course guys, for those who didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please don't forget to click the notification button, like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy watching guys. God bless!
So that is the old kitchen nila na makikita ninyo. And now, eto na yon. Eto na yung modern, cozy, and classic kitchen. Andiyan dyan yung mga drawers. We're using quartz countertop and with cutlery organizer, guys. So with that, merong overhead cabinet. We're using marine glossy. And we have the accent tiles para mas madaling linisin. And that's it. Ayan na nga yung na-finish namin ng mga kitchen for bamboo state.
Don't tell anyone I said this.
That is it. And all the appliances was there. Moving forward, everything was posted there. Everything was shared to you. And I hope you will enjoy watching, guys. And we make sure that the area of this kitchen is functional. So we place 3 panels, or I think 4 panels of tall pantry cabinet for the groceries, and meron ding isang panel sa may dulong sliding for the cleaning staff. And there you are, guys, our finished toilet and bath. It's so nice. Kitchen is so beautiful. And that's it. Just enjoy watching the before and after. God bless.